I'm Megan and I'm from Cambridge Secondary School. Before coming to ACE POA, I actually had an F9 for my prelims, and after coming, I had an A1 for my O-levels. I just came to tuition and I actually understood what Mr. Quack was teaching, and it made me realize that POA wasn't that hard, and so it made me want to work hard to do well for POA. The materials that Mr. Quack gives is more clearer, and I'll read them before entering the exam, and it actually helped me a lot just to prepare myself for the exam. The lessons are quite fun as it's not very boring, and I actually enjoy the lessons and I really like coming here. Mr. Quack is a very fun and caring person, as he'll make sure that you understand the topics that he just taught. Besides teaching you, Mr. Quack would also like to talk to you as a friend, and he's very caring and makes sure that you understand your work and make sure that your other subjects are also doing well. Thank you ACE POA and Mr. Quack. If you are struggling with POA, do come here as I really recommend this place.